Connector body is high impact, fire retardant plastic rated UL94V-2. TIA, EIA channel performance limits total length of patching and equipment cords to 32 feet, 10 meters per TIA, EIA 568B. 14 colors for color coding or organization, available in 6 standard lengths. All connectors feature standard QuickPort compatibility and universal color-coded wiring labels. eXtreme 6 Plus system components meet or exceed the requirements for channel component level performance for TIA, EIA Category 6, CALIS listed, NAM ACA. Top reviews from the United States. This is the gold standard for RJ45 modular jacks. Yes, they're relatively expensive but worth the money. And paired with a Fluke Rapid Jack tool, you too can be an awesomely speedy network installer. I just finished a job and ran some CAT6A and terminated with these bad boys, and they didn't disappoint. 100% accuracy as long as you use the right color code sequence, 568B as the go-to standard, and a RAID jack tool. These are the best.